Struggling to understand English when people talk or read it? Want to speak with more confidence and know more English words? You've found the right place. In this video, we'll make it fun and easy for you to understand English better and have a bigger vocabulary. Just follow these 5 easy steps and you'll be on your way to speaking English like a pro. The first step to improving your comprehension is to immerse yourself in the language. Watch English movies, TV shows, learn easy YouTube channel and listen to English podcasts and music. This will help you get used to the rhythms and sounds of the language, and you'll start to pick up new vocabulary and expressions naturally. Another way to improve your comprehension is to practice listening to English audio materials, such as news broadcasts, podcasts, and audiobooks. This will help you get used to different accents and speaking styles, and you'll also be able to pick up new vocabulary and expressions. If you want to expand your vocabulary, try reading English books, news articles, and magazines. This will give you exposure to a wide range of vocabulary and grammar structures, and you'll also learn new expressions and idioms. Here in this YouTube channel, you can find a playlist with some interesting stories and audiobooks that can help you in this journey. Another great way to learn more English words is to keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words and phrases you learn, along with their meanings and examples of how to use them. Practice using these words in your daily conversations and writing. In the description of this video, I'll provide a playlist link with many words and phrases to help you improve your vocabulary. I hope you find it helpful. Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes when learning English. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, and you'll only improve by making and correcting them. So, don't be afraid to speak up, practice regularly, and stay motivated. We hope these tips have been helpful in improving your understanding of English and learning new words. With hard work and determination, you'll be able to speak with confidence and understand English conversations and texts effortlessly. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and resources. Don't miss out on your chance to improve your English skills. Thanks for your time, and remember to hit the like button.